Okay, here's the goalie box, the goal box. And I thought I should show you what I'm doing. So what I did was I cut this piece of aluminum here and bent it and then bent it around the tabs, took the points off them, and then put one screw in there. So it'll make a little bit more noise. Maybe it's, I don't know, we'll have to see if it's enough, if I'm happy with it. I definitely will leave this part though. I mean, maybe I could add another one to it or something. This side, I didn't realize it, but right in here is like a knot. And when I put the other one in, it cracked right down through here, even though I had pre-drilled it. So I took it out, pre-drilled it better, deeper, wider, and put it back in further back. And then I didn't want, I don't want it weak. So I thought, well, I'll put a screw in the top here. Well, that didn't work because that goes right into the knot. It just broke out. So then I bent this up and put one down through here. So right across here is a nice screw going through there. So it's a good hard wood. So as long as that crack is solid, then we're okay. Okay, so they did use a good hardwood on this stuff. Okay, so it's ready to get screwed back in. And it's going to be a little higher than what it was originally screwed in, but it's going to match the marks that someone had put on there in the first place. Okay, let's get it back together. Be ready for the next step.